what happens is if you get a volcano that's large enough, it can put so much debris into the atmosphere that it blocks out incoming sunlight. And, for example, we had a volcano go off in 1991, and it put debris 15 to 25 miles high into the atmosphere in a period of about a week. It formed clouds with water gathered around the ash. They were as large as the state of Montana and 10 to 15 miles thick. Now imagine how much sunlight that absorbed. So what happened back then was the globe received less sunlight, which is the energy we use for our climate system, and it cooled 1/2 of 1 degree. Now that doesn't sound like much, but if you cool 1/2 of 1 degree, it moves a freeze zone down 300 miles south. And the following summer, I had a client calling me from Alberta, Canada, complaining because he had a foot of snow in his grain field, and it was the 3rd week of August. That's how much cooling the globe 1 degree can do. Well, the reason this is important is because we had 2 volcanoes go off in 2011. One was in Iceland, Grímsvötn, and one was in Russia.
That was when the planes couldn't fly, right? Because there was too much ash in the air.
Yeah, what happened is it blocked incoming, it blocked flights. It also formed clouds and blocked incoming sunlight. And the first year, it cooled the Arctic so much that the strong winds trapped the Arctic air north. So back in 2012, maybe people can remember, it was very, very hot because that cold polar air couldn't escape south. The winds trapped it north. But the air continued to cool as all of that ash and the cloud cover continued to cover the Arctic. And by this summer, so much sunlight had been blocked out that we were having scientists tell us this was the coldest that they had ever seen, ever recorded the Arctic. That's
and the Arctic ice grew by how much, Evelyn?
It grew 60%.